We have planned very well what we are going to execute in the next 5 years. But every year, we got an annual development plan. Every year, we have a budget. And in approving that budget, we have relied on the county assembly, with whom we have had a partnership that makes work very easy. So this year, I want you, January, to begin counting what we're doing. Sisi si watu wa kusema atu tunapanga. Sisi yetu ni kufanya. And I can tell you, now that we are in a Lego, because I'll address other issues when I go to Bondo, when I go to Rarieda, Uganda, and so on and so forth. In Siaya, we want Siaya to change. This is the city of Raila Amolo Odinga, Siaya. So Siaya must be different from what it is today. So in developing this, our capital city, Siaya, is crucial. So that next time, instead of people going for meetings in Naivasha, in Kisumu, Mombasa, we want those meetings also come here in Siaya. We are going to provide infrastructure. We are going to make Siaya cleaner. We are soon going to finish the stadium. Pinluo are going to have a big event in August. Pinluo. And the hospital in Siaya, we want it to be improved to a proper referral hospital. And that is going to be done. Affordable housing is coming to Siaya.